Welcome to Slow English Listening. Hello, everyone. I am Lucas. Today, we have a very special video for you. Summer holidays are starting very soon. Do you like to travel in summer? Please write your favorite holiday country in the comments below. Also, please hit the subscribe button right now. It helps our channel grow every day. Today, we will learn how to check into a hotel. We will follow our friends Lily and Jake. Jake is arriving at his hotel right now. He is having some interesting travel problems today. Listen carefully to their conversation and learn new words. Let's go to the hotel now.
Hello, I want to check in, please.
Hello, sir. Welcome to our hotel. Can I have your passport, please?
Yes, of course, here it is.
Thank you very much, sir. Do you have a reservation with us?
Yes, I have a booking for 5 nights. I booked a deluxe double room.
Great. Let me check our computer system.
My last name is Miller. It is spelled M-I-L-L-E-R.
Thank you, Mr. Miller. Please give me one moment. I am looking for your name right now.
No problem. Take your time.
I am very sorry, Mr. Miller. I cannot find your name in our system.
Oh, really? That is very strange.
Are you sure about the dates?
Yes, my holiday starts today. Look, I have a confirmation email on my phone.
Let me see the screen, please.
Here is the booking number and my name.
Oh, I see the problem now. Our computer network has a technical error today.
Wow, that is a big problem. What should I do now?
Please do not worry, sir. We can fix this together.
Okay, I hope so. Hi, Lily. I am at the hotel lobby right now.
Hi, Jake. Is everything okay with your check-in?
No, I have a big travel problem. The receptionist cannot find my booking in the computer.
Oh no, that is terrible news. Did you show them your confirmation email?
Yes, I showed her my smartphone screen. She says the hotel network has a technical error.
Do not panic, my friend. This hotel is very popular and professional. They always have free rooms for emergency situations.
I am very nervous because I am tired.
I understand, Jake. Take a deep breath and wait a moment. I am coming to the hotel to help you right now.
Thank you, Lily. You are a great friend.
Wow, Jake, look at this place. The room is very large and bright.
Yes, I am so happy now. The receptionist was very nice after all. She fixed the system and gave me this key card.
That is wonderful news. The bed looks extremely soft and comfortable.
It certainly does. And look at the window, Lily. The view of the city is absolutely beautiful.
Yes, you can see the big skyscraper from here.
I want to put my big suitcase over there.
Good idea. Is there a modern television in the room?
Yes, it is on the wall opposite the bed.
Perfect. Now you can finally relax after your long journey.
Yes, everything looks perfect here. Oh no, look at my laptop screen. I have another problem now.
What is wrong, Jake?
The Wi-Fi is not working in this room.
Did you select the correct hotel network?
Yes, I selected the hotel guest network. Then I typed the password from this paper.
Let me check the password with you.
It says room 214 with a capital letter R.
Look closely, Jake. On the laptop screen, it says invalid password.
You are right. It does not connect. I need the internet to send an important email today.
Do not worry, we can solve this quickly.
Let's look for a phone in the room. Hello, front desk. This is Jake Miller from room 214.
Hello, Mr. Miller. How can I help you today?
I am trying to connect to the hotel Wi-Fi, but the system says invalid password.
Oh, I am very sorry about that, sir. We changed our internet password this morning.
Oh, I see. What is the new password, please?
The new password is Welcome2026 with a capital W.
Let me type it right now. WELCOME 2026.
Is it working now, Jake?
Yes, look, the connection is active.
Excellent. Is there anything else you need?
No, thank you very much for your quick help.
You are welcome. Enjoy your evening.
Who, Jake? Is it just me? Or is it very hot in here?
No, you are right, Lily. It feels very warm and stuffy.
Let's turn on the air conditioner.
I'm pressing the buttons on the remote control right now.
Is it blowing cold air?
No, it is blowing hot air instead.
Look at the small control screen on the wall.
Oh, it displays a red light and a big error message.
That means the air conditioner is completely broken.
Oh no, what bad luck. I cannot sleep in a room with this high temperature.
Don't panic, Jake. Let's ask the hotel staff to send a technician up here immediately.
Hello, I am the hotel technician. The front desk told me about your air conditioner.
Hello, please come in. Thank you for coming so fast.
Yes, it is very hot in this room today.
Let me check the control unit on the wall. Oh, I see the problem. The internal fuse is old and broken.
Can you fix it right now?
Yes, I have a new spare part in my toolbox. It will take only 5 minutes.
That is wonderful, thank you.
Okay, I am changing the fuse now. Look, the green light is on again.
Wow, I can feel the cold air now.
Great, everything is working perfectly.
Jake, the room is cool and nice now. Let's check the bathroom before I leave.
Good idea, Lily. Oh, wait a minute, look here. There is only one white towel in the bathroom.
That is not enough for your 5-night stay.
Look, there is a housekeeper in the hotel corridor.
Let's ask her for help right now.
Excuse me, miss.
Hello! How can I help you today, sir?
Can we have some extra towels for room 214, please?
Yes, certainly, sir. I have clean, fluffy towels right here on my trolley.
Thank you so much. 2 extra towels are perfect.
Here you are, sir. Have a wonderful evening.
Finally, we can sit down and relax on this beautiful balcony. The evening weather is absolutely perfect.
Yes, the city lights look amazing from up here. This hot tea is delicious, Lily.
I am so happy that all your travel problems are over.
Me too. It was a very busy afternoon. We fixed the booking, the Wi-Fi, and the air conditioner.
Yes, we did a great job together today.
Now my hotel room is warm, comfortable, and connected to the internet.
Now you can enjoy your summer holiday in this beautiful place.
Thank you for your amazing help today, Lily. You are the best friend in the world.
You are very welcome, Jake. Tomorrow, our big summer adventure begins.
Welcome back to our studio, everyone. Today, we saw a very interesting story with Jake and Lily. Travel problems can happen to anyone during a holiday, but now you know many useful English phrases for your hotel stay. You can easily ask for a reservation, Wi-Fi, or extra towels. Did you like our lesson today? If yes, please like this video and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more useful lessons. And remember our question from the beginning of the video. What is your favorite holiday country for a summer trip? Please write your answer in the comments right now. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful summer holiday. Goodbye and see you in our next video.